Leslie Schmidt is preparing a room for the next patient at Sentara Leigh Hospital in Norfolk, Virginia. She cleans every surface as part of the hospital's internationally certified infection prevention protocol. But she has a silent helper. The countertops, the bedside table, the handrails on the sides of the bed, even the bed linens that she tucks neatly into place, and the towels and washcloths laid out in the bathroom, pretty like a fine hotel, are constantly killing bacteria and preventing infections because they're all infused with an ionized copper compound.
And so we knew if we were going to get to the point where we could meet the expectations of our patients, we had to find something additive to what we were already doing. And so when this opportunity came forward, we thought this might well be that solution. And we decided we would find out.
Sentara Leigh Hospital was being replaced. The multi-year project offered a platform for a copper clinical trial. Sentara Healthcare partnered with Cupron Incorporated, inventor of the proprietary copper compound and maker of the copper-infused medical textiles used in patient rooms, and EOS Surfaces, developer and manufacturer of the copper-infused countertops and other molded surfaces. The first new patient tower received copper-infused products. A 1977 wing due for replacement in another year did not.
We saw a statistically significant reduction in those infections comparing the part of the hospital in which we installed these new products versus the ones where we did not.
Findings included an 83% reduction in C. difficile alone and a 78% overall reduction in a host of multi-drug resistant organisms including MRSA and VRE. This in a high-performing hospital with strong infection control.
Well, it's a huge step because for several reasons. One, you're moving past theory to actual clinical results that demonstrate in a very complicated environment that an idea of battling pathogens actually has results, and results that are meaningful, that improve patient outcomes.
Knowing that we moved it so significantly at a very safe hospital, we are excited about the opportunity to move the needle in a hospital that really could use this augmentation to their current protocols.
That doesn't obviate the robust cleaning processes that we have, but it helps and it pushes us over the edge to make it so that those hospital rooms are safer for our patients.
I think the average patient that gets readmitted with some type of an infection is about $40,000. And it could be, if you're elderly and you're frail, it could be fatal. I mean, you don't want that to happen.
For hospital administrators struggling with quality-based reimbursements, rising costs, and other budgetary challenges, copper may prove a good long-term investment.
Each one of those avoided infections is going to get patients out of the hospital quicker, potentially could avoid a readmission, which hurts us on the Medicare side. And all of this is not even discussing the impact on the patient.
It's easy math, and it's much, much more than finance. It's about the culture and the commitment of the company to making it so that we don't harm our patients.
We are achieving a vulnerable older population that are going to require new treatments, new aids, new processes to reduce the opportunity for infection. And this, to me, is the beginning of a new wave of technologies to solve those problems.